Everybody's exhausted by AI and they barely used it. That's the problem. You keep hearing you have to learn this 20 new tools a week, a new model every Tuesday. So you freeze, you do nothing. Here's the truth you don't need 20 tools, you need one. And you need it pointed at the thing that's actually stressing you out. Pick the one task that eats your evenings. Mine was planning my day. I handed that one job to an AI and got an hour back. That's it, one job. The overwhelm isn't the AI, it's trying to learn all of it at once. Don't fall into that trap. You learn the one piece that buys you breathing room, and you stop there until it's a habit. Then you add the next one. That's how you start to build momentum.